guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So I thought it was kind of interesting that so many of you liked seeing me declutter my makeup collection, and I had mentioned that I was thinking about decluttering my lipstick, like lip product collection. So for today's video, that's what we're gonna do. Mostly because I couldn't think of anything else. I also just kind of want to go ahead and clean out everything while I can. So like while I'm on the kick of cleaning out my makeup, let's go ahead and do the lip stuff too. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna clean out and declutter just lip products. So lipsticks, those things, like lip glosses and the like. It's a lot. I didn't realize quite how much I had. So let's just go ahead and start that because it's a long one. Alright, so we are back with another decluttering video. Like I mentioned in the intro, we are gonna do just lip products today. I have quite a few. This right here is not it. That's just like the ones I use regularly. Those are the ones, as you can see, I use Jeffree Star probably the most out of any lip product, though Kat Von D is right up there. So I've got some over here. I've got a few things here. As you can see, they're dusty, so they don't get used often. And then this whole container right here is lip stuff. So, lip stuff. We are gonna go through that container, this setup, and these little few over there to see what we can declutter. So let's do that. So let's start over here, actually, just because it's probably the smallest section that I have of lip stuff. I don't quite remember why I got some of these shades, if I'm being honest. I think like that one and that one and that one came from Halloween time. I don't know if I want to keep them or not. All right, so if I'm being honest, the orange one really kind of is interesting to me. I don't know. There's something about the orange that has me interested, so I think I'm gonna keep that. I'm definitely gonna keep this red. It's like a reddish orange in person. It's called Missy and Fierce. My camera doesn't really want to focus on anything today, so my apologies. But yeah, so this is Missy and Fierce. I am probably gonna keep that, and then I'm also gonna keep the orange one, which is called Terrifying Tangerine. I think I'm gonna keep those. However, I do think this purple one is gonna have to go. I just don't ever see myself wearing this. This is called Purple Panic. I personally just don't see myself wearing it. I don't think I've ever worn it, which is kind of sad. So that's gonna go in the do not keep pile. This one I am up in the air about. It is gray. I don't know if I could pull off a gray. It's called Sleepy Hollow. I would keep it just because of the name. I love that name. Sleepy Hollow is probably one of my favorite like Halloween movies, so yeah. So I think I'm gonna keep Sleepy Hollow. I'm going to keep Terrifying Tangerine just because I think that might make a pretty good fall color to have. And then I'm also gonna keep this one, which is what, Missy and Fierce, because I am a sucker for red. But I am gonna get rid of Purple Panic just because I don't see myself wearing that purple. All right, so next up we have my Kat Von D studded lipsticks. I love these things with a passion, so I'm gonna have to really think about this. So my absolute favorite one is this travel one right here, and it is in the color Cathedral. It is stunning. If you've ever used Kat Von D before, you know her stuff is gorgeous. Okay, you know her stuff is gorgeous. That is Cathedral. I'm definitely keeping that, even though I'm fairly certain I have a full size. So that right there is the full-size version of Cathedral, which I plan on keeping. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep the full-size and the travel size version of Cathedral because I love that shade. It is a stunning shade. If you are into the Kat Von D lipsticks at all, it's definitely a good one. Moving on, we have this one called Prayer. It is a darker one. I do really like dark lipsticks, so I'm going to keep that one. I feel like I'm gonna end up keeping most of the Kat Von D studded lipsticks. This next one is called Wolf's Mouth. Really pretty color. Yeah, it's a dark one, so we're gonna keep that. Then we have this one, which is called Hexagram. I think this is like a red. Oh yeah, that's a red lipstick, so we are definitely gonna keep that one. I think it's only been used a few times anyway. Next up, we have one called Mercy. This one has never been used, but it's a gorgeous color, so we're gonna keep it. I don't even know what color that is. It's like a dark red. Finally, we have Slayer. But we have a problem with Slayer. Can anyone see the problem with Slayer? I don't know what happened to Slayer. Slayer got fucked up. I feel like I can fix that, but I don't know. Anyone have any suggestions? You'll see that? Really bad fate. So I don't want to toss it, but at the same time, I don't know how to fix it. So if anyone's got any suggestions on how I can fix that, let me know, because otherwise I might have to toss Slayer. But yeah, so I'm gonna end up keeping all of my Kat Von D studded lipsticks just because I love them a lot. So far, we've only gotten rid of one. Let's go to the container of stuff next. Now, there's a lot in here that came from like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, and so I've probably never used it before. So we'll see. First up, we have Lip Sense. I tried Lip Sense. I hated it. I thought it was terrible. So we have the Lip Sense and the moisturizing gloss and the actual color. And isn't there like a third part to it? I don't know where it is, but that's gonna be gotten rid of because ew. All right, we have this by Pretty Vulgar. I like Pretty Vulgar, but it's like a shimmer. And I am not a shimmer type of person, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. All right, next. We have Wet n Wild. I believe this is, yeah, Nudie Patootie. I love this. This is a great, affordable nude. So if you've never tried Wet n Wild's Nudie Patootie before, the liquid catsuit, it is amazing. I recommend it, so keep that. Cargo Cosmetics, also a shimmer, so no. Burt's Bees. I love Burt's Bees as a company, but their lip stuff, terrible. Milani, again, I like them as a company, but this is a fail. Milani Moisture Lock. Rose Hip Oil Infused. Nope. Mega Sticks Balm Stain from Wet n Wild. It's a moisturizing lip color. That's actually, I used to use this a lot. I might just put that like in a purse just to have something on hand, but I do like that. So we're gonna keep that. All right, this is a Smashbox lip color in Rosette. Okay, so I'm going to keep this, but for a very weird reason. I only bought this color because of the name. When I do anything online, like say play a video game, my character's name is Rosette. That's what I name everything online. So I'm gonna keep this only because of the name. Not a fan of the color too much, but I'm keeping it for the name. All right, here's another Burt's Bees thing. Not a fan of their lip stuff. I love their like makeup remover, but otherwise no. Lip Insurance Demi Matte Anti-Featherin Lip Primer from Too Faced. I think I tried that before and it made my lips feel really weird. Old lip balms, like really old. Ew, pumpkin spice. As much as I want fall to happen, I don't want to be thinking about that. This company, which I can never pronounce, Ciate? I don't know. If anyone knows how to properly pronounce that, please let me know. Liquid Velvet, I think I got that in an Ipsy thing. Real Her, I'm going to assume this came in like BoxyCharm or something. No idea. Never even heard of this. All right, so this is an e.l.f. I think this is like, it's like a lip scrub, but I think, yeah, it broke. See, it broke, so we're gonna toss that. But that's a good one. If you need like an affordable lip scrub, I recommend the one by e.l.f. Mine's just broken. Butter lip balm, that looks weird. I'm not gonna keep it. All right, lippy like outline sticks. I don't know why I bought these before, because I think this one came in a BoxyCharm, but then I actually like bought this Maybelline ColourPop. I don't know what it is. I've never been a fan of like lip liners, so gonna toss them. This is a random thing, probably from Ipsy, so goodbye. This is from NYX Butter Lipstick. Oh, I might like this. Yes, it's a gorgeous red. Yeah, we're gonna keep that. Okay, over here, Milani again. As much as I like that red, I didn't like how it looked on my lips. Here's another lip scrub. It came from Ipsy. Yeah, it's small enough to be Ipsy. Liquid Catsuit, Wet n Wild in the color Pink Really Hard. Do I like that pink? Can't tell if I like that pink. I think I do. I think that's a nice pale pink, so I'm gonna keep that. Wet n Wild Lip Gloss. I was not a fan of these. It's got like a tint to it, but I didn't really notice a tint, so I'm gonna toss that. Oh no, Casualty. And then a Burt's Bees in Caramel Lip Shimmer. Again, I like Burt's Bees, and this is nice, I don't know, just as an added color to your lips, but that was just from the top drawer. So I don't know about y'all, but that's pretty good. So that's what I kept from the top drawer. That's what I'm getting rid of from the top drawer. So that's pretty good progress. So next row. Next row I think is a lot of ColourPop, I think. All right, so this one was like a hot commodity for me last summer. It's the Naked like lip gloss, and mine is in Nooner. I am definitely keeping that because I really liked that last summer, I remember. The Beauty Crop liquid lipsticks. Oh, I kind of like the color. It's hard to focus, but I kind of like that color. So let's keep it. Let's give it a test run. All right, so we've got a lot of ColourPop here, a lot of Urban Decay, a lot of Tarte. Ooh, this is gonna be a difficult one. All right, so let's start with this Urban Decay. This is Sabotage. Not really feeling that color. Purpley, no. I'm trying to go with like my gut instinct, so if I'm not feeling it right away, I'm getting rid of it. This one is in Sheer in Ex-Girlfriend. I think I remember that one. I wasn't impressed. This one is in Disturbed. Now, I did like this one. I also have to admit that I got this one because of the name. If you know me, you know my love for the band Disturbed. That's a pretty good color. That's a pretty dark one. We're gonna keep that. Yes, I keep things because of their names. Come at me. All right, so, oh wait, there's another. Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in Triced. I don't know what I was thinking when I got that color. Stila, I don't think I liked how that felt, so no. Here's a Tarte lip paint in Rosé. It might be good, keep that. I like little travel ones. Here's another Tarte lip paint in Front Row. I kind of like that color too. I'm also like kind of biased. I love Tarte. Smashbox in Girl Please. Not feeling that. Ooh, another lip pencil, so automatic no. All right, these two, the Too Faced Melted Matte. This pink is way too pink. It's called Bend and Snap, which makes sense because, you know, Legally Blonde, but. And then this one is in Sellout. I can't remember if I liked these or not. I think I'm gonna keep Sellout. I like that color. All right, so these are some ColourPop ones that I have. This is a really awesome red in Avenue. I'm gonna keep that. Also another reddish one in LAX, but I think that one's a little dry, so I'm gonna toss that one. All right, and then over here to the Lippy Sticks. I don't think I was a fan of Lippy Sticks. I just felt like they were super dry. So I think I'm gonna end up tossing these. That's in Lip Freak, not a fan. This next one is in Bitchette. I might keep it just because of the name. It's like a red, but I have a red like that, so no. This next one is Chateau. The last one is in Grunge. Ew, no. All right, so number 2 is done. This is the keep pile. This is the toss pile. So we're doing good. All right, last one. This is where a lot of my Kat Von D like lipsticks are, as well as some random smatterings of things. So let's go through that. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills in Sepia. It's a lip gloss. I don't think I'm gonna be feeling that. No, it's like really dark. Oh, here's a Tarte in Delish. Kind of like that color. I'm gonna keep that. Here's another ColourPop. It's kind of funny. The actual like writing has worn off. This is in Times Square. That's actually not a bad color. It's like a rosy nude, if that makes sense. Here is NYX Lingerie in Lace Detail. Kind of like that. Here's a Bare Minerals one. I don't think I was a fan of this. In Slay. I don't think I liked how it felt on my lips. Here's an Ofra. Oh, you can see that that is a little dried out. Here's an Anastasia Beverly Hills in Trust Issues. Ugh, not really feeling that color. Here's one in American Doll. Again, I like red, but this is like a, I don't know, that's not the kind of red I like, if that makes sense. Like I have a specific red that I like. You see the difference between these two? I like that top one, if that makes sense. Now here's another nude by Anastasia. I think I'll keep that one. I kind of like that one. All right, so now we're down to my Kat Von D ones, which I love Kat Von D. But we gotta do something because I can tell you right now, I love this red, Outlaw. So that will be kept. Not sure what I was doing when I got this blue one. So that's an Echo. That's gonna go. Hawkwind, I just used recently and loved it. Melancholia. I don't like that pink. I don't know why I bought that. Vampira. Yes. That is gorgeous. Noble. I think that's too peachy for me. Makes my lips disappear, so no. This one is in Mother. It's like a pink. That's actually a kind of a pretty pink, so I think I'll keep that one. I'm not usually like a pink person on my lips. This is Lolita. This is like her fan favorite, so yes, gonna keep that. See, this is like a pink I wouldn't normally wear, and it's in Bauhaus, even though the S is a 5. So we're gonna say no to that, and then this is a little one of Vampira. I have the big one, and now the little one. So, those are my drawers. Those are the get rid of, those are the keep. I think I did pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and put these back. Kat Von D down below. We're gonna put like Anastasia, Tarte, and ColourPop in the middle. I think what we'll do is put like the considered drugstore brands on top. So like NYX, Wet n Wild, NYX, Wet n Wild. Actually, I'll put Wet n Wild over there. This rando one from BoxyCharm. So that's where the drugstore ones are gonna go. Down here are gonna be like mismatched higher end ones. And then Kat Von D gets her own. So that is the container. I'm gonna keep it out though because over here, we still have this to go. Yeah, so these are my Jeffree Star for the most part, as well as a smorgasbord of other things. Jeffree Star, I'm not touching. I love his stuff. So that stuff is gonna stay. But we're gonna start looking at other things. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out because I don't know what's here, what things are. So let's see. So automatically, these are two Tarte Lippy Lingerie colors. I love them. So I'm gonna keep them. They will go in the drawer over here with the other Tarte stuff. Here is a Smashbox. I just got this, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. This is in Boss, which is Superwoman's signature color from Smashbox. So I'm gonna keep that. NYX Lingerie in Satin Ribbon. Gonna keep that along with the other one. Beauty Creations, Longwear Matte in Kiss Me. No, no, no. Cloud Lips. What the F? Oh no. Oh no, I can't even turn it. Ugh. That's like a brown. No, I think that was a BoxyCharm. Here is a ColourPop in Strip. Kind of like that. That's a nude, so we'll keep that. Pure. Oh, this is a lip exfoliant, and it's actually intact, so we're gonna keep that. Mega Sticks Wet n Wild. I do like this stain, so we're gonna keep that. This is Tarte's Tardiest in Festival, so we're gonna keep that. Adise, New York. Oh god, I am so sorry if I'm pronouncing these things wrong, but yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And then Galactic Beauty. Again, I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna get rid of it. So out of over here, I'm only keeping two things, which is pretty good. I'm gonna put those in the container over here. Yeah, so now my container is all done, so I can go ahead and move that. I am gonna take my Kat Von D's and move them over here with Jeffree Star. Kind of funny, but whatever. They need a home. And this is a Burt's Bees one. I forgot this one in Fig. I actually do like this color a lot just because it is a darker color, so I'm gonna keep it and it'll go over here. I've got Jeffree Star and Kat Von D studded lipsticks. Got Kat Von D, these. Got other high-end ones here. And then like my drugstore ones here. And then this is everything that I am getting rid of. Oh, and my Wet n Wild back there. This is what I'm getting rid of. I think these colors I'm actually going to let my mom pick through because she does really like the Kat Von D ones. She probably will not like that blue, but I'll let her pick through them. So there we go. I have now decluttered my lip products. But that is it for this video. There are other areas that I need to declutter too. Like I really need to declutter things like in my bathroom, like underneath my bathroom sink or even in my bathroom drawers. So if that's something you'd be interested in seeing, you should let me know. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. Also hit that notification bell while you're there so that you can be notified when moi uploads because you're interested, I know. But until next time, bye guys.